Welcome back. Ruby Residency building collapse case probe is on top priority. That's what the crime branch officials claim, though the two culprit builders are still at large. DIG OP Mishra said SIT has been formed to nab the absconding builders. Crime branch officials quizzed two former chief officers of Kankan municipality, Deepak Desai and Pradeep Naik, on Sunday. Deepak Desai had issued occupancy certificates for the collapsed building before completion. With almost 5 weeks after Kankan Ruby Residency building collapse, main culprit builders are still at large. Refuting the allegations that crime branch is not serious to arrest absconding builders, DIG OP Mishra said building collapse case probe is on top of the priority list. He said all necessary legal actions will be taken against builders Pradeep Singh Biring and Jaideep Sehgal.
Builders were absconding since that time. The case was initially investigated by the local police. It was later on transferred to, just 4-5 days back, it has been transferred to the crime branch. And ever since it was transferred to the crime branch, the whole team has been busy in attending to various proceedings in the court only. But that, notwithstanding that, I think that case is being taken very seriously and it is being taken to a logical end.
Former Chief Officer of Kankan Municipality and current Additional Collector of North Goa Deepak Desai and Deputy Collector Pradeep Naik on Sunday appeared before investigating officers at the crime branch. Both were quizzed for about 2 hours separately. Allegation is that Deepak Desai had issued occupancy certificates to the collapsed building. It may be recalled that 31 labourers had died during building collapse and many were injured. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas. Primary Health Centre at Sankhli may get upgraded into a community health centre. There are attempts at the local level. Sankhli MLA Pramod Sawant says that accreditation is expected within a month's time. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar says the department is thinking over the proposal. However, there has been no concrete thought over it as yet.
साखळी प्राथमिक आरोग्य केंद्र जे साखळीचे हॉस्पिटल आसा जे नव्या इमारतीत आमी हे केल्या उपरांत खरें म्हटल्यार तेजो दर्जो जो आसा हो ऑलरेडी आमकां प्रमोट करून कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर ह्या लेवलाचेर व्हरपाचो आसा आनी ताज्या लेवलाचेर जे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सेक्रेटरी लेवलाचेर प्रयत्न फाटले कितलेशेच दीस सुरू आसा बट नव्यान रिक्रुटमेंट जाल्ले डॉक्टर्स अवेलेबल नाशिल्ले ताज्या खातीर थोडे दीस पेंडींग उरलेले एक म्हयन्या भितर करून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न आसा कारण खूब दीस जाल्यार हो विशय पेंडींग आसा बट जाता तिका एका म्हयन्या भितर हो विशय कंप्लीट करून घेवपाचो कारण जॉयनूय जाल्ले ते एनास्टेशलिस्टांनी येते आनी तेजो दर्जोय दिवपाचो आशिल्लो बट 1-2 एनास्टेशलिस्टांनी आपली अपॉयंटमेंट घेतली ना गायनेकोलॉजिस्टान आपली जॉइन जावनूय आपूण अपॉयंटमेंट घेतली ना हाज्या खातीर उरलें काम बट ते नवीन तेंच्यांनी अपॉयंटमेंट ऑलरेडी सुरू केलें ते जॉइन जायना फुडलें काम आहा तें कंप्लीट जातलें.
We spoke with the Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. He says that the health department is thinking over the proposal. However, he has not given any concrete assurance.
गोंयान आनी गोंयच्या कानाकोपऱ्यान 1-2 GMCक संलग्न असणारी रुरल हेल्थ सेंटर्स आयडेंटिफाय करता. म्हाका त्या दृश्टीन साखळी एक तकलेन आसा आनी पेडणे तुवें एक आसा. त्याच्यामुळे तेंचो दोनांयचो ती GMCक आज ती हेल्थाक लिंक्ड आसात. ती जर GMCक लिंक्ड जाली जाल्यार GMCचे फॅकल्टी GMCचे शिकणारे दोतोर इंटर्नशीप करणारे दोतोर प्रॅक्टीस करणारे दोतोर अनेक लेक्चरर्स त्या दोनूय केंद्रांक पावतले आनी तेंची दोगांयची हे सर्विसीस तिचल्यो इम्प्रूव जातल्यो. तुवेंतलें हॉस्पिटल बांदता आसतना आमी तशेंच मोठें बांदता त्या दृश्टीन आनी सांखळेचें हॉस्पिटल तशेंच आसा म्हणजे दिवचले आनी वाळपय परस सांखळे 100 बेडाचे आसा. थंय निवासाची वेवस्था आसा अशें दोतोर गेल्यार आनी त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या काळात ती दोनूय GMCक लिंक करप हो एक प्रस्ताव आसा.
The primary health center was shifted to the new premises in January 2013. The efforts were on since then to upgrade it into community health center. Bureau report Prudent.
Fishermen from Vasco are demanding a full-fledged fishing jetty in Vasco. They have made clear that they do not want temporary solution but want a permanent one. Local MLA Carlos Almeida says that the jetty work may start after monsoon.
President of Goa Boat Owners Association Sydney Furtado says that jetty at Karivado is not sufficient for the fishermen from Vasco. Infrastructure at jetty is very poor and as such they have to suffer losses. They demand a permanent solution.
आमच्यो बोटी आहा 200 बोटी आहा ते 200 बोटीक एक 70 मीटर बराबर एक टायमार 12 बोटी लागपा मेळटा आनी फिश सारकी पेरिशेबल आयटम ते फिश बेगीन अनलोड जावपा जाय आनी बेगीन ट्रकान पडपा जाय नाजाल्यार मार्केटान पावपा जाय हे 12 बोटी कोण हाली जाता म्हणल्यार खूब टायम लागता 5-6 वरां लागता तितले म्हणल्यार फिश क्वॉलिटी डावन जाता कुडबोण गव्हर्मेंट स्पेंड करता पयशे कोर्तालीम 1-2 बोटी 3 बोटी लागता थिंगा स्पेंड करता बेती माली थिंगा स्पेंड करता शापोरा स्पेंड करता हिंगा वास्को 200 बोटी आहा थिंगा अजून कांय आमचे परमनंट थाऱ्यार पडना सो परत आमचो रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज आमकां एक बरो फिशिंग जेट्टी वास्को दिवचो सगळे बोटकारांक बऱ्यो बोटी लावपा मेळटा तशें.
Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida says the jetty work may start after the monsoons.
आयज आमी गव्हर्मेंटान एक स्टँड केलें डिसिजन केलें हायकोर्टान एक एफिडेविट फायल केला की आमचो आतां जागो लायक वास्को बे म्हूण ते पयले बायणा तो सॉलिड स्पॉट कॅन्सल जाला आनी आमी एक डिसिजन घेयला की लायक जेटी वास्को बे जातले म्हूण आमचें काम चालू लायक ते आतां जेटी बांदपाक लायक म्हाका दिसता पावस जावन देखून म्हाका दिसता जेटी काम देखून स्टार्ट जावपाक शकता आफ्टर द रेन्स.
Dishan Parav for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.